Hi everyone, Chef PD back again. Today's recipe is ribs and garlic sauce. So this morning, one of my favorite customers, Lien, hi Linda, messaged me saying that she wanted me to show her how to make ribs and garlic sauce. And that the ribs were available at Cub Foods, our local grocery store. So I went out, grabbed it, just got back, and I will attempt to make it for you right now. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alright, let's take a look at what we need for today. I have 1.5 pounds of riblets, 1 cup of onions, just cut it into bite-sized pieces. Same here with the 1 cup of green peppers, 1.5 tablespoons of preserved black beans. So it kind of looks like this in a box. Otherwise, sometimes they sell them in little bags. Should be able to find them in a local grocery store. Otherwise, I will leave a link below in the description box. 1 thumb-sized piece of ginger, we'll mince that. 2 cloves of garlic, we'll mince that. Half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. We're going to need about 1.5 cup of water. We'll see. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper powder, half a tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. And this is basically for to make the sauce dark, and that's optional. And then we have cornstarch, which we'll mix with water to thicken up the sauce. Okay, let's go and prep. Alright, the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to get hot water, and you're just going to pour it over the preserved black bean and let it soak for about 10 minutes. We're going to have to soften that up a little bit. Okay, while that's soaking, we're going to work on the ginger and the garlic. Just mince that real well. This is a Cantonese dish from southern China, and pretty much everything that we cook has ginger and garlic in it. Garlic, we'll do it in a garlic press, save a little time. Ribs. So basically what you're going to do is just going to cut, so ribs are about an inch or so, inch or an inch and a half, and just cut it down. It's kind of fatty, then just kind of trim out the fat a little bit. This is not too bad. cook it up. So before we cook, we need to drain out the water from where the preserved black bean is. And what you do is you take a spoon and you smash it up. Make it into kind of a paste. And you do that, it's more flavorful than just cooking the black bean inside the dish. Alright, let's go cook it. Alright, we're going to get the wok heated up. I'm going to put about half a tablespoon of oil in there. Ribs in. Now we're going to fry the ribs and render out the fat first. Okay, it's about maybe 3 minutes or 4 minutes now. Now we're just going to put water in. Enough to cover it like that. Now just let it cook. Okay, we're at about the 32-minute mark here. Okay. It looks pretty tender. Some of the ribs are falling off right there. So that means they're done. Now we're just gonna drain this out. And again, it just depends on your range. Depends how high your heat could be. Okay, I'm going to dump this out. Alright, the wok washed. Get it, heat it up again. Now we're going to start doing the aromatics. teaspoons. Put the onions in there first. Get our ginger, garlic, and get our peppers in there. Get our ribs back in. All right, it's been cooking for about 3 minutes. It's pretty close to be done here. The peppers are just about done. Take a look. Okay, I'm going to start adding the seasoning. Got the salt. Got the sugar. White pepper powder. Sesame oil, and oyster sauce. That's optional. I think it does add a good flavor to that. And you got the dark soy sauce, basically for the coloring. Optional. Now the preserved black bean. And that you should have. Alright, the cornstarch we had earlier, we're going to add a little bit of water to it. Maybe a tablespoon of water. So this slurry here, you may not need all of it, so you're going to add a little bit at a time until it gets thick. And again, it depends on how much water you have in here. Alright, we don't need the rest now. And we are done. Alright, let's plate it up. go. That's the finished product. Let's go sample. Okay, let's check it out. Ooh. Tender morsels of ribs. Oh yeah. Oh, it's garlicky. Full of flavor. Get some pepper. I got a pot of steamed rice waiting here now, so I'm gonna put that over rice and finish this thing. So good. I wish you were here. So give it a try. Let me know how you like it. And thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Next time. Bye. Great, so a bunch of viewers are interested in buying these black t-shirts, Dragon House t-shirts. So if you're interested, please email me at this address down here, right there. And let me know what size and quantity you want. And then we'll try to get some and get them out to you.